Okay, question 4. I do part D together. Okay. The thinking behind when we solve all these equations is we want to make same base. Okay? So in this case, same base means I need to change all these three numbers. 3 to the power of x, 9 to the power of 4, 27 to the power of 3. All change to base 3 first. Okay? So 27, if I go and divide 27 by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3, 27 is actually 3 to the power of 3. Then 27 is to the power of 1/3. 9 is actually 9 squared. Then 9 is to the power of 4. Then the right hand side is 3 to the power of x. Okay? Then simplify a bit. 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 1/3. We multiply the index together. I will have 3 power 1. Then for the second number, multiply the index together. I have 3 power 8. Three multiply another 8 times of 3 multiplying by itself. All together I have 3 to the power 9. Left. This is plus When we are multiplying, here got 1 3, here got 8 3. So all together, multiplying together, I have 9 3s. Then left and right, they are the same. If the base is the same, means the power must be the same. So x equals to 9. Okay? Yes. So the main thing is making them all the same base, so that after that I can compare. Okay? So that is the main idea. Then let us go to next page already. This page we do 2 questions together lah. Shower together. You say so loud. I don't want to hear also cannot. I also don't know. I forgot to charge all like you all. Okay? So in this case here, base 5 already. Then I must try to change this number to base 5 also. Okay? So 25 by itself is 5 squared. Then when I'm dealing with all these base and index, then I don't want this cube root sign already. So I must know that this cube root sign is actually dividing my power by 3. Taking cube root is also same as having the index 1/3. 3, so divide by 3. Square root is by default a 2. So when I square root, actually I half the index. When I cube root, I 1/3 the index. Then multiply together by comparing, x is 2/3. Okay, so this topic, if you know what you have to do, it is not that difficult. But you want to compare, that's why you want to make same base. Then you must try to make left and right side same base. That's all. Then you will need to apply all your basics lah. Turn 一下 Chotomate. Done. Okay, one side base 16, one side base 32. I cannot change base 32 to base 16. But I can change both of them to base 2. So 32 is 2 to the power of 5. If you don't remember, then you can always go and do your prime factorization. But I remember, that's why I never do this at first. Okay? So if you don't remember, then 32 go and divide by 2, divide by 2, then it is actually 2 to the power of 5. 16 is 2 to the power of 4. 16 is being cubed. So my 2 to the power of 4 is being cubed. Then the whole 16 cubed is being to the 4th root. So outside is 4th root is actually 1/4 power. Sixteen itself is this smallest bracket, 2 to the power of 4. 16 is being cubed. So this small bracket is being cubed. Then after that, the entire 16 cube got this 4th root. That's why this whole thing is to the 1/4. Go one layer by one layer. Or the effect is also 1/4 times 3 lah. You can straight away put 3/4 also. That is where you can save one step. Okay? Then we multiply. 4 times 3 is 12. Then 12 times 1/4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Ray, your mother called the general office. Why leh? You told her you need to stay back today. Why do you need to stay back today? Huh? Study for math. Okay. Then your mother thought it is compulsory that you are staying back. That's why she called the GO. Yeah. Did you tell her that you want to stay back to do your own revision? Huh? Later lor. I'll give her a call also lah. At first she thought you are asked to stay back for math. She didn't know you want to do self-revision. Okay, Ken? Same base already. They are the same means the power also the same. Power the same means 5x is 3. 5x is 3 means 1x. Divide both sides by 5. When we are solving, we are always trying to find out what is the unknown. One unknown is how much? Okay? Okay, question 6. Actually, some of the questions are too difficult, probably won't come out. Okay, this one we just do because it is fun, because it is quite interesting. Okay, so 5x, 25 is 5 square, 25 is 5 square. Then multiplying, same base, we add the power together. Part A still okay. You just go and change all to base 5. Slowly do, should be able to get the answer. Some of the other parts here need to do some tricks. Chang Yao, are you okay? Sick ah? Having a strong and healthy body is important. Okay, for this one, your right hand side is 0, then it looks like difficult to continue. But if you bring your 1 to the other side, then all this is base 4. 1 I can also write as base 4. 4 to the power of 0. Then here, multiply, same base, multiply, I add up the power. So I will have 4, 1 plus y. Okay, then 1 plus y equals to 0. Y must be equals to negative 1. That's why here need to do this trick of moving this across, giving it base 4. Other than that, you should be able to find already. Okay? Can? But this one, I don't know. A bit difficult, so maybe exam won't be coming out so often. Usually won't come out like that. Okay, part D also. Most likely won't come out for your fun of doing. 4k plus 4k plus 4k plus 4k. In another words, for example, if I have A plus A plus A plus A, I can write them as 4A, right? So 4k plus 4k plus 4k plus 4k, I can write it as 4 times of 4k. Lo. Same one. There are 4 of them. So instead of writing 4 times plus together, I say there are 4 times of this. Then 16 change to base 4. Okay? When we are adding, we cannot do anything, add the index or what. But when we change it to multiply already, same base, I can add up the power. Okay? So this one need your basic, very basic understanding. 4 same thing add together is the same as 4 times. Okay, so this one more for fun. Fun, right? Math, so fun. Jovis sleeping already. Here still have power 1/3. Okay. Oh no, correct. Yeah. Well done. Okay, Ken. Okay, then we want to go on to the next topic already. Next topic. Hello. Next topic is called standard form. Hello. Okay, standard form is a different way of writing the same number. Then, to be able to do this standard form, we need to go back to some primary school basics. Okay? Okay, primary school, we learned that 100, if I multiply anything by 100, let's say I multiply 9.4 times 100, what is the easiest way? Instead of pressing calculator, when I multiply 100, I shift the decimal point. Do you all learn this? Okay, so when I multiply 100, I move it 2 times because there are 2 zeros. Then become, the decimal point shift from here until here, that's why it become 940. Okay, then same one, 0.0234. If I multiply 10,000, there are 5 zeros, I'm going to shift this 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I will become 2340. Okay? So the number of 0 is the number of times I shift the decimal. That is the thing you need to do, you need to know later. Similarly, if I divide by 10, I shift it backward 1 time. That's why it becomes 0.94. Okay? So because we know this, let's say I have the number 92300000000. In mathematics, we also try to not write so many things. So the mathematicians came up with a different way to write this same number. Okay? So what is the way? That means all these 0, I can write it as a easier way. Meaning, the front, I keep the significant numbers, 923, but instead of 923, I will write as 9.23. But now they are not the same anymore. If I want them to be the same, my 9.23 need to multiply certain number. How many times I need to multiply? I want the decimal to shift 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So if I want the number to shift 11 times, so that I should have 11 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. But like that doesn't make my life easier. I still need to multiply so many, I still need to write so many 0. But now we know indices. So I can just straight away write 10 to the power of 11. So instead of writing so long, the same number, I can write it as 9.23 times 10 to the power of 11. They have the same value. And this form, we call it the standard form. Okay? And when we write this as the standard form, this front number must always be between 1 to 10. It can be 1, it cannot be 10. It must be 1 until 9.999999999. So 10 is non-inclusive. It must be smaller than 10. It can be 1. It can be 1 until 9.9999999. So in mathematics, if you want to write that, we write it as, it can be 1, but it must be smaller than 10. It can be 1 or bigger, but it must strictly be smaller than 10. This is the meaning. Okay? Then we will look at how different numbers can write in standard form. Then when it is standard form, how do we change it back? That is this chapter. Okay? Okay, workbook E. No. No. Later lah, one question. Then after that, you all know what to do already, then you all go. Okay? Okay. So this is a number that is big now. If I want to write it as standard form, I want the front number to become between 1 to 10. Meaning, I want the decimal, at first the decimal is here ma. I want it to move 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. When the decimal is between 3 and 2, my front number becomes 3.25. A number between 1 and 10 already. But these two numbers are not the same. To make them the same, I need to multiply a certain number of 0. How many 0 I move? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 to the power of 4. Like that only. If I multiply this number out, I will get back the same number. Okay? Okay. Part B. After we see part B, then those who want to go toilet go. Okay. For part B, I want the front number to be between 1 to 10. Also, I need to move my decimal. I need to move it 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. When I move it 3 times, it will be between 6 and 7. Wow. You all never go around do this and make people laugh at you also, right? Okay. So compare this to this. This is a bigger number than this. So if I want them to have the same value, this one I need to divide and not times. Correct? You can go and remember it that way. Okay? Then, how many 0? I move 1, 2, 3. So it's 3. But when we write standard form, we always write multiply. So we don't write divide one. So this is the intermediate. I want it to be in standard form. I need to change it to multiply. How can I change it to multiply? Ten to the power of 3. When I divide 10 to the power of 3, but if I don't want it to be written as division, yes. My dividing 10 over 3, I can change it to times if my power now is minus 3. Okay? So this one is showing you all. So actually you don't need this intermediate step. This intermediate step don't need one. This one is to show you all. So I can straight away, when it is a smaller number, I multiply, but the index put negative. But how I get the number 3 is the same. I move the decimal how many times? Okay, Ken? Okay, then you all try B and D. Then those want to go toilet, go toilet. B and D. Try to write them in standard form. Yes. You don't understand C. C, the decimal now is here, correct? Before I do anything, the decimal is behind the entire number. But I want a standard form, means I want to move the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want the decimal to be between 6 and 7. So that it becomes 6.78. But 6.78 now is a smaller number than this. I want it to have the same value, means here I need to multiply some zeros. How many zeros I need to multiply? I need to multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. 6 zeros, so 10 to the power of 6 is 6 zeros. Can? Not divide anymore. When I put as minus, I just and can don't write this step also can.
No.
You want to write?
Yeah.
Okay.
This one.
Yes, correct. Okay, if you all are confident, can continue to try also. Huh? For question 2, they want you to change it back to the numbers. No, when I change to minus, I don't write as divide anymore. It is times. And if you can straight away, you can write this step straight away. Don't need to go through the divide. Once you are comfortable, once you are familiar with what are the numbers to write, okay? So this one I'm going to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 4.69. I can straight away write it is times 10 to the power of minus 5. Wait, I start question 2 first. Okay, when they want it to be integer or decimal, means they no longer want standard form. So I'm doing the reverse. I multiply 10 to the power of 4 means my decimal will shift 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2, 5, 5, 6, 0. Like that only. This is the number for question 2. Question 3. Standard form. So now I need to move the decimal 1 time. Correct? If I move the decimal 1 time, I will have 3.468. 3.463. Okay? So I just do for this itself. This is this. Correct? Then after that, times 10, I can combine them together already. Adding the power together. Okay? Try. Okay, yes, Naim. How to do D? D. I just count how many times I move the decimal. Why you count 6? I want it to be between 4 and 6 so that 4.6 is I don't want 46.9. 46.9, the number is no longer between 1 and 10 already. So I want to be between 4 and 6. Yeah. Other than that, correct already. So only move 5 times. Yes. Correct. So move 5 times means divided by 10 to the power of 5. But I don't want to write divide. That's why I write it as times 10 to the power of minus 5. Yeah. Adam! Wasting time here again. Yeah lah. Must really tell your parent you want to transfer school already lah. Go to Raffles ah. Raffles girls. Can be amongst the girls, so happy.
He's not smiling, he's smiling and he's not complaining.
Go. 2 times. This one also shift 2 times. You can always look at your number that you write, then compare to the original number, which one bigger. If this one bigger, I want to become like that, means I must divide. If I divide, means I must have negative power. If my end up number is, I want it to become bigger, means I need to multiply. I want it to become smaller, means I need to divide. So it's back to your identification. Which one small, which one big? Okay, so this one is actually dividing. Times 10 to the power minus 3 is actually divide by 1000. Or divide, so I move it 1, 2, 3. Divide ma. Divide, so I need to move to the left. Multiply, I move it to the right to give it bigger, to make it bigger. Divide, I move it to the left. Multiply, I move it to the right. Yeah. Hey, intruder! You think you small size, I cannot see you.
Your favorite person is your favorite top beach spot.
Okay, so times 6 times 10 to the power of 6 means move the decimal 6 times, becoming a bigger number, so moving it here 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh no, low power. Okay, this one is divide, so means I want to move the decimal 5 times. Oh yay! Wow. Savior. One, two, three, 4, 5. Okay, are you all done? Question 2, able to do? E. We are multiplying, making it a bigger number. So my zero, my decimal will move to the right. Making it bigger, so my decimal move to the right. Move to the right how many times? 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7. 3 more 0 behind. 2, 4, 5, 3 more 0 behind. Negative power means I am dividing. Dividing means I move the decimal to the left to make the number smaller. Move how many times? 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, can multiply, making number bigger, that's why I move to the right. Divide, making number smaller, so I move my decimal to the left. Never thought this primary school thing will come back, right? Oh. Oh. Okay, question 3. The following numbers, although they got multiply some power, but they are not standard form. Because standard form, the front number must be between 1 to 10. So 0.3 is not between 1 to 10. 99 is not between 1 to 10. So I need to further shift the decimal. I need to shift it one more time. Okay? Then after I shift 3.463, then the original number is smaller, so I need to divide by 10. Then after that, this one got 10 power, this one got 10 power, I can combine the two same base number. So this original number can be written as like that. Then now it is standard form. So it is breaking it step by step. Now, this topic easy, right? No. I only change the front. This 10 to the power of 6 I never touch. So how do I change this to standard form? I shift, move one decimal place. I move only one, then 0.3 becomes 3.4 already. Then when I move it by one space, how did I move this by one space? I have to multiply this, means divide this by 1 to get back the same thing. So the front is the same as this. Then after that, when I write this front as this, then I can combine the two base 10 together. It's all multiply. So I add the power together. Break it down into two steps. Change this to standard form. Then after that, the power combined together. There is another way to think. That is, my 0.3463 want to become standard form. I need 0.3463 to multiply 10. When I multiply 10, then it will move to 3.4. So where did this 10 come from? I take one of the 10 from the power 6. That's why it become power 5. I take a 10 out from here. Then when this multiply, it will become 3.463. They will give me the same answer. Okay? But I think like that is more standardized. The step is more standardized. Another way to get to the final answer is I take out a 10 from here. Then I use the 10 that I take out from here to multiply this number. When 10 multiply this, it becomes a standard form number. Okay? But I think the first one easier. This one not so easy. This one a bit more confusing. How many 10s you need to take out? Wow, Naim, change man. Woman. Okay, I go through together. B 0.99 is also not. We want 1 between 1 to
9.9
3D.
9.9. Cannot exceed 10. Cannot exceed 10.
How do we do with the divide?
We change.
Change lor. Very good.
KCF. Keep changing. Wow.
How come you all like speaking Korean like that?
Yeah, man. Man, why are you doing?
Yes, Naim, why you so excited over Japanese?
Nothing.
666, I can write as 6.66 times 10 to the power 2 ma. 666 itself. Then divide by 10, I can write it as multiply.
Oi.
Then I can combine the index together.
Ada sushi. Tiba. Ada sushi. Sure.
Hey, am I missing someone? No. Oh, I thought Dalisha not here. Dalisha today so quiet. Oh, actually you usually quiet one.
You look there lah. Fight. Happy lah. What you say? I say bad words. Why? I said goodbye.
Oh, Naim, we don't want 0.99, we want between 1 to 10. 0.99 is smaller than 1, so we don't want. We want 9.9. Yes?
Mama,
This is yeah.
This piece.
What is this?
One.
No? This is yeah. This is 半夜.
What? Joker. Do you understand? Yeah, I don't understand. Then you say Joker. Yeah, Joker. This guy Joker. Shut up. Just copy and shut your
What is this? 三更半夜.
Whatever you say, bro. I guess. The negative and negative become positive.
No, this one is just multiply, then we just add up the multiply, we add up the power.
Aha, I got it correct.
I don't know.
I did.
Huh? A, B, C, D ah, oh.
You're making out your own jokes. It's not even funny, you know. Yeah, bro. You're making out. Dua. So you need to move. This is one decimal. I will shut up.
Huh?
Negative 2 because right, this one from 0.0, then it's not 1 to 10. So you need to like
Move it between 2 and 3 lor.
So you need to like
1 is between 2 and 3, you become 2 point something ma. Then it's a number between 1 to 10.
you need to move it like 2 like you need to put a 100.
Ah. Use your brain. Go and think.
You get 6. You get 6. Negative 6.
Wow, well done.
Bitches. We don't have your book on your table. Oh my god. Shut up. This is the only topic that I know. And the rest I end of your house. Why you wreck your shoes? Yeah? Careful of what? You're not gonna get back my car. That's a careless mistake.
Good. Okay, for part F, they just want you to change this to multiply only. Because 2.79 already between 1 to 10.
Go away. Yay! Oh, I thought you put 9.
Rain falling on my heart.
It's not you minus lah, bodoh.
Ya lor. Ya lor.
Sorry.
Ya lor.
Never try, never know.
My primary school, the first CCA I want to join is choir.
That's what you want to join. Why are you saying? Because he wants to save lives.
Then the music teacher play the piano, asked me to sing the notes, but I cannot.
DJ happy birthday.
Then I failed the audition.
Umar take red cross because he want to walk to the Hey! Hey! He told me the other day. You get a problem because you sit the front too much. Oh! Good answer. What the?
Umar joined Red Cross because he want to do mouth to mouth.
Oh! Good.
Come Logan, let him practice.
So he put it in. He's a key fight.
You all always practice on each other, is it? Yes. All the Red Cross people. Okay, all done. Question 2, question 3. Question 4, I want to show you how to use your calculator. Huh? Log out. Still got 15 minutes eh.
15 How about we take a break? Just ask people to survive.
La la la.
How about we have a break and have a kick?
Though a deer, a female deer. Hey, come. Hey, all turn to page 132, question 4. I want to show you my calculator, so you all need your own numbers over there. Okay. 2.4 times 10 to the power of 6 plus 3.6. Hello. Okay, we want to key this thing into our calculator. There are 2 or 3 ways to go about it. So I want to show you. Okay? One of the way, I go and key exactly what they want. 2.4, I press 2.4. Multiply 10 to the power of 6. I can press multiply. If I want 10 to the power of 6, I can use this button, x to a square. Then they will ask me to key in what is x, what is square. Okay? X square. Then I can key in 10. Then I go to the top, I key in 6. Okay? Then after that, I key in plus 3.6 times, again use this one, 10 to the power of 5. Okay? This is one way. Hello. Then I press equal. Calculator will tell me the answer.
Obviously, right?
Okay. But this is not the best. Got another way. Another way I need to use this button. They already have this times 10x over here. Okay? So how I use this button? I need to key in 2.4. 2.4. Then I key in this button over here. Times 10 to the power of x. Then I only need to key in the 6. Okay? Then I key in my plus 3.6. This button, then this time is 5. Then I will get the same answer as well. So I don't need to go and key this button, key in 10, key in 6. I can use this button over here to get me faster to what I want to key in. Okay? Can? Okay, then try. Question 4. This one is just purely using your calculator. Try. Press calculator also lazy.
Oh shit.
Laziness is humans' biggest enemy.
But it's my biggest best friend.
Oh.
Hey, yes, let's go. I'm sitting on for only yes. Info. I know something. I don't know. He said no. Okay, sorry. No, sorry.
Okay, sorry, not finished. They say express answer in standard form. So I must then go and change it to 2.76 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh my god. Oh, it's not good. All of them are times.
You very lazy. I think ChatGPT making people stupid.
People ask A, he answers B. Yes.
I'm not writing all these zeros.
But remember when something good, check the picture.
I think now the AI, all this ChatGPT, the computer make humans stupid. Then next time they take over the world already.
AI is the next one.
Then human become too stupid to stop the computer already.
Oh, then the computer control humans.
Yeah,
Oh,
I think will sure happen one.
that is the time. Umas obviously gonna stop it because all road lead to Rome. Just shut up, bro. Just shut your mouth.
How I get 9?
Use AI. AI says
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 leh.
Bruce Fit.
Yeah, too many zero, we will make mistake. That's why also that is the advantage of writing standard form. Huh? Sing.
Tengku Umar stop mochi. What? What am I saying? I say what? Hey, yep.
Okay, y'all try to finish up all these questions, then we take a break already lah. Long enough, right?
The diamond I'm saying, the diamond YouTube diamond one saying.